This is the battery C rating and max continuous amp draw interactive calculator, which determines the maximum current and power your battery can safely deliver. Let's look at the input fields. First, enter your battery capacity in mAh. For this demo, I'm using 10. Next, input your battery voltage in V. I'll enter 10. Then add your continuous C rating. I'm putting in 10. Finally, there's an optional field for burst C rating. I'll also use 10 for this example. Now I'll click Calculate Battery Performance. Here are our results. The max continuous current shows 0.10 A. This is the maximum current your battery can deliver continuously without damage. The max burst current also shows 0.10 A. This would be higher if we had entered a higher burst rating. The max continuous power reads 1.0 W. This tells us the sustained power output capability. And the max burst power is also 1.0 W. Again, this matches our continuous value because we use the same C rating for both inputs. This calculator helps ensure you're operating within safe battery specifications for your projects. Find the link in the description below.